I'm Mike,
And I'm Molly.
and welcome to the final edition of
Remodel Your
Thinking
Thinking.
for 2024.
So today's topic is looking into the coming year for 2025 top remodeling trends.
So the first trend that we're seeing for 2025 is what we call multifunctional spaces or flex rooms. It's a great way to make use of the existing square footage without having to add more square footage onto the house. So for instance, you can have one room that functions as a home office, an exercise room, and a guest bedroom as well. The key is really how it's put together. So for a guest bedroom, you might want a Murphy bed that flips down from the wall. Exercise equipment now can be just one little area for exercise. So it's a great way to be efficient with your existing square footage.
Another trend you'll see in 2025 has to do with backsplashes. So remember the days of white subway tile, offset tile? Well, it's not so trendy anymore. The thing we're seeing is your backsplash is actually the same material as your countertop, so it's running all the way up and it's very seamless, beautiful. Another trend is bringing in a little bit more color, personality pop. So you've got the monochromatic background, but that backsplash becomes your focal point, and it's pops of color, textures, still geometric design. So a lot of stuff in 2025 for backsplashes.
So the third trend for today is what we're getting a lot of requests for, is outdoor living. So you will have an outdoor space. It could be a cabana, it could even be a kitchen that's outside, because down here in South Texas, all year round, you can be outdoors. And so it's really something we're seeing constant requests for, with a kitchen, a seating area, a place where you can sit outside and read and enjoy the beautiful weather. So that's definitely a trend that's continuing and is only going to grow in the future.
Our fourth trend into 2025 is color, just color. So I know we talked about monochromatic in the past. There's still monochromatic, however, in the cabinets you're seeing more rich wood colors. In the paint colors, whether it's on the walls or even on the cabinets as well, you're seeing a lot more historical colors, so like a really deep green or moody blues. So all of those are starting to show up so that you've got a really great pop of color. We're also seeing, along with some of those sort of creamy layered textures of colors, then your pop of color of your moody blues or your deep greens are in your pillows or your furniture, or maybe just even a throw rug, but they're there and you'll see those more in 2025.
The fifth and final trend for 2025 is what we call a wet room. Again, it's another really good use of the square footage you already have. So instead of having a separate shower, a standalone tub that take up a lot of space, a lot of square footage, what we're now doing is we're putting a shower and a tub in the same space and then closing that basically behind a glass wall. So the whole room becomes what is called a wet room. It's a great use of space. The plumbing's all located there. And it just looks so awesome when you can look into a bathroom and see this glass wall and everything's combined together. So that's definitely a trend that's only growing.
Thank you for watching. This was our last one for 2024. So please keep watching us and sharing with your friends. And if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up, a like.
And if you don't, just don't say anything.
See ya.